Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove payment method and on Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you're on the main home screen for your business account. This is where you can manage your business tools, settings, and billing information all in one place. If you manage multiple business accounts, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct one before making any changes. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the bottom left side of the screen and click Settings. This will take you into the area where Meta keeps the more advanced controls for your business account, including permissions, assets, and payment-related options. After the settings page opens, scroll down through the menu until you find Billing and Payments. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little further to see it clearly. Take your time here since this section is where your saved billing details and payment methods are managed. When you see Billing and Payments, click on it to open the Billing Hub. This section gives you access to account billing activity, payment tools, and any cards or payment methods currently linked to the account. Next, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click Payment Methods. This will open the page that lists all payment methods connected to the business account. On this screen, you should be able to see the available payment options and identify the one you want to remove. Find the payment method you want to delete, then click the three-dot menu next to that account or card. This menu usually contains additional actions related to that payment method. Be careful to choose the correct one, especially if more than one payment option is listed. From the menu that appears, click Remove. This is the option that starts the process of deleting the payment method from your Meta Business Suite account. In some cases, Meta may ask you to confirm the action before it is finalized, so read the prompt carefully before proceeding. One important thing to keep in mind is that some payment methods cannot be removed if they are currently the primary payment option, or if there is an unpaid balance on the account. If you don't see the Remove option, you may need to update your billing setup first. And that's it. You've now seen how to remove a payment method on Meta Business Suite.